In this video, I'll show you how to pay with Revolut on your iPhone. You can do this by using Apple Pay, and you can also do this on Samsung. I'll show you how to do this on an iPhone. So the first step is to get a Revolut card, and this is pretty simple. I'll show you how to get a virtual card in seconds right now. So head over to Revolut. Then once you're in Revolut, in the top you can see cards next to accounts. So click on cards, and here you can see get card, and then you can choose a physical card or a virtual card. You can add both to pay with your phone. So let's say you want a virtual card, just click on virtual card, and now you can choose the color and you can get a virtual card for free. So once you've got this, you will get some details that are on the card, like the CVV, the card number, and some more details. So once you've got this, all you need to do is get out of Revolut and open the Wallet app. So search Wallet on your iPhone. This is automatically installed on your iPhone. Then in the top right, you can see the plus icon. Just click on that, and here you can see Add to Wallet, either debit or credit card or travel card. We have a debit card, so click on Debit. Then choose your bank, so just search up Revolut. Then you will see this, so you need to make sure that you have the app installed, and then just click on Open. And then right here you can see all your carts. So click on the cart that you want to add, for example the online shopping cart. So now once you've selected a cart, just click on Add to Apple Wallet. Then click on Next. Then it's adding your cart. Now you can read the terms and conditions, and if you agree, click on Agree. And then as you can see, it was successful and added to your Apple Wallet. So to check, you can double click on the on and off button, and then you will see it right there. So that's how you can pay with Revolut on your phone. Please like and subscribe if this helped, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.